Alright, so back at the block with the trucks. Day 3, finally, nice day up here, a bit windy. Finally getting to go through all the little bits and pieces that we got. We've got some radiator hoses for the red truck. We're going to try and get that going and take it for a drive, maybe even lunch. I'm just going to go through what we've picked up out of this one. This is what was all in the cab of this main truck here that the one I want to put together. So that's a Jag dash. All the previous owners are all put together. Scuff plates, little CD player, a couple of nice little dashes. They seem to be all right and hopefully in working order. Ton of heaps of little bits and pieces that can work. That's brand new. That might come out all right if you can give it a good clean up. Yeah, got some door trims and a few other bits and pieces that are all in really good nick and should be able to throw a couple of trucks together, I reckon. And we've got all the really good doors in there and one panel, fuel tanks. There's another radiator there, bumper, it's really good. A few bits and pieces here as well. These are pretty hard to come by apparently, and this tray is really good. Oh, really good as in probably the best one here, which is straight. It's still got a bit of surface that we'll be able to clean out, but that's inside here, the doors are really good. It all seems to be pretty good in here. We've got heaps of we've got another front windshield and a rear windshield. But yeah, other than that, everything sort of looks really good. I really like the steering wheel. This is one I'll probably keep. Just get it refurbed and whatnot. And yeah, so that's pretty much what we got going on here. This is the one I drove the other day with Otis. A few bits and pieces still in here. Haven't gone through yet. 3-speed, this is a really cool truck. I like this one. It's just the cab is really crap, but this dash is really nice. I reckon just sort of tidy that up a little bit, give it a clear, and then use that as my main dash, I reckon. But yeah, everything else is pretty good. This roof's pretty crap. Obviously, it's very well rusted out. That one's got a bit of rust in it, but now I can start hopefully pull. There's a radiator in this one. I'm going to pull that out of there and put it in the red one. We've got some fuel, got a few bits and pieces, and hopefully we can get it going and take it for a spin, maybe take for lunch. So I'm getting hungry. You? Yeah. And I drove the Monaro up today and did a bit of circle work. Scared the cattle and all the lambs and everything, but all in good fun. It's going to need a good clean now, but yeah, so that'll be it just for now, and then once we sort of get the red one going, we'll get a bit more footage. Alright, red truck take 2. Stole radiator out of the main one. Got some hoses for the radiator. Hopefully then, I don't even think, it's probably a bit of carry on from us really, because we probably won't even get it going.
What are you talking about? What could go wrong?
Today. I'm gonna fuck this up. Just a bit.
Can you edit the snot dripping out my nose?
Nah, give it a...
Yeah, slow-mo it.
It's not right.
What's that little screwdriver here? I would like scratch that on something like sandpaper would be ideal, but I guarantee you there's not sandpaper in my toolbox. Anything that will just scratch it up, smooth the surface. Let's go. show. She sold her soul. Just let me jump up there and check something first. Oh yeah. Alright, do I just effortlessly start it? A little trick I learned in the army. Alright, go.
Does it? Come on! Come on!
What happened, mate?
Accelerator cable just snapped. I just slammed it to the floor and just didn't want to do it anymore. Going a little bit too hard, got a little bit too carried away, and I snapped the accelerator cable. But hey, it runs, it's strong. Yeah, cool car. So, plenty, we'll be going for a bit of a cruise soon. That's the red one done.
If you can't fix it with duct tape, it's not worth fixing, maybe?
No, if you can't fix it with duct tape, you're not using enough duct tape.
Oh, maybe.
Brakes pull to the right of it.
Go bush.
Go up.
Yeah.
Drive this home.
Leave the Monaro and then paddock.
Yeah. Put a tarp over the Monaro. We're not going for that.
Silver tarp and a silver Monaro?
Yeah.
Wouldn't even know.
No.
No.
That's where that would go.
That's sick.
Kicks down and everything. That's not too bad. Just pulls to the right. Boom. I love this thing. So cool. So back over the block, it's been a couple of weeks since me and Mark got the red one running and we're doing loops in the paddock. I came up here with a mate from a panel shop, which I'll fill you guys in the next few videos. He's looked at the trucks and we're sort of going to start making a plan of what I'm going to actually do. But I was going to do a bit of work on the red one, and because I've decided to get that one running, get it registered. Sparesbox have jumped on board again and going to help out, and yeah, try and I've sent them a list of parts, and they're going to send them through soon, which is going to be amazing, and to get this thing on the road, and hopefully I can yeah, drive it around for a bit and then sell it and use that money to go through onto the next one. So massive thanks to Sparesbox, Mark, for letting me use the property. Jump on and subscribe to his channel. He's got some wicked stuff on there. Iron Empire, he's also got his own business, Adelaide Whitewall Tyres, which I'll probably get done on one of my cars, a new car that I'm actually sitting in right now, but I'm not going to show you that just yet. It's actually the car that's going to be my daily down the track, and I'm going to use everything out of it for one of these trucks, so stay tuned for that one. But yeah, massive thanks to Sparesbox, Mark, for letting me use his property. Go check out his channel, the Iron Empire, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like.